it is increasingly clear that all is not well for him on the home front. While full details are hard to confirm amid Russia's media clampdown, there are widespread reports of senior figures removed from office and under house arrest. They include General Roman Gavrilov, the deputy head of the National Guard who is responsible for security inside Russia, reportedly accused of passing classified information to the West. They also include General Sergei Beseda, head of the Foreign Intelligence Department at the FSB, the successor agency to the KGB, and his deputy, the two men in charge of Russian intelligence on Ukraine. An even more senior figure, General Sergei Shoigu, the defense minister and one of Putin's closest confidants, has disappeared from public view. General Shoigu, who is usually seen in public every few days, has not made an appearance for weeks, amid rumors of heart trouble. The Kremlin put out a video purporting to show him reporting to Putin in a video conference this week, but General Shoigu was only seen fleetingly on a video screen. There were claims the footage had been doctored. The arrests and disappearances could point to a coup attempt, or they could mean Putin is becoming increasingly paranoid about the possibility of one. The fear in Western capitals is that a desperate Putin could turn to weapons of mass destruction in an attempt to force victory in Ukraine and preserve his regime. Joe Biden said this week that the Kremlin could be considering a false flag attack with chemical or biological weapons. He warned the US would respond to their use in kind. Russia destroyed most of its chemical weapons after the end of the Cold War. Though it clearly retains small amounts of agents such as Novichok, it is not thought to have enough to engage in large-scale chemical warfare. Chemical attacks are thought unlikely to have a greater impact on the battlefield than Russia's current use of conventional weapons. Less is known about Russia's biological capability, but such weapons are hard to control in a combat situation, as they can infect both sides. The nightmare scenario is that Putin could resort to a nuclear strike. He and his lieutenants have warned repeatedly of Russia's nuclear capability since the war began, and he raised the nuclear alert for Russian forces in the opening days. Dmitry Peskov, Putin's spokesman, said this week that Russia would only use nuclear weapons if its existence were threatened. Within hours, Dmitry Medvedev, a former Russian president and one of Putin's closest allies, issued a statement accusing the US of plotting just that. It means Russia must be humiliated, limited, shattered, divided and destroyed, he said. Sergei Lavrov, the Russian foreign minister, echoed him, accusing the West of waging a real hybrid war, total war with sanctions against Russia. And the goals are not hidden, he said. They are declared publicly to destroy, break, annihilate, strangle the Russian economy and Russia as a whole. In the early days of the war, the West played down the nuclear threat from Russia, describing it as idle threats and saber-rattling. But this week, it emerged that the US has assembled a tiger team of national security officials to plan a response if Putin resorts to chemical, biological or nuclear weapons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.